Hello everyone, I'm Anton Ren from Mandarin Animal PMR's Marketing Department. Today, I will bring a brief introduction of our completely new research anesthesia machine, Wet1. It will be launched this month. So let's begin. Wet1 is the first anesthesia machine specially designed for rodent anesthesia in the laboratories. The target market of this product includes college laboratory, hospital laboratory animal center, CRO, and pharmaceutical companies. The slogan for the Wet1 is simplicity in form, safety in mind. We could see Wet1 is very different from Wet3 or Wet5. It is not for the pet hospital. It is only for the research use. This is the overview of Wet1. Very simple, right? It contains a gas supply pressure gauge, one vaporizer V60, and also here is the oxygen fresh gas flow meter. This is the O2 flush button, and we also have two interfaces here. One is for the mask, one is for the induction chamber. Also, we got a switch here to choose these two channels. So that's all about the overview of Wet1. And this page shows the configuration of Wet1 and its accessories. The main unit is tabletop with two channels. One is for mask, one is for induction chamber. The flow meter here, it is a mechanical one. The flow range is from 0 to 4 RPM. And also the vaporizer here, we have one vaporizer fixed. We could choose either isoflurane or sevoflurane. We also developed some accessories for rodent anesthesia. The first one is anesthesia gas filled canister. It is to absorb fast gas. It is integrated design and could absorb over 200 grams. The second is induction chamber. We have two sizes of induction chamber. One is for 5 liters. This is for rats or several mice. We also get 1.5 liters optional. This is for mice only. And we'll also get 3 sizes of masks. They are all non-rebreathing design. So this is a brief configuration of Wet1. Now let's go into the feature of Wet1. Yeah, simplicity is our first consideration when designing this product. We find that not every life science laboratory has professional anesthesiologists or medical device engineers. So we recognized it would be a great challenge to begin the rodent procedure with a new anesthesia machine. We simplify all the process from every first step, which is installation. For our competitor products, we could see the products here. That's all the competitor products. They are all their parts are assembled, need to be assembled. So installation work before use is very complicated, and the leakage risk is quite high. For all the tubes are explosive. So the tubes here is on the back. They are also explosive. But the main unit of Wet1 is installation free, for it is all integrated design, and it is ready to use after unpackaging. So you could use it once you get it. In order to make the anesthesia process easier, we also developed complete accessories according to the different experimental scenarios. There are three kinds of masks: big one, mid one, small one, and they are for different rodents, for rats, for small rats, and mice, for mice. We also got two kinds of induction chamber. Big one is 5 liters, small one is 1.5 liters. Besides this, we also developed multiple channel flow meter. This is for anesthesia anesthetizing several mice at the same time. We cut two channel for two at the same time, and 5 channel for 1 to 5 at the same time. We also get procedural board. Here is the procedural board. We got the single channel. You could see this is the single channel one, and also multiple channel 1 to 5 rodents at the same time. It is mostly for the imaging experiment. Here is the anesthesia gas-filled canister, and also to simplify the all the workflow, we could switch mask or chamber channel with one button quickly without changing tubes or adding more paths. So this is a switch that we could change it very, very quickly without changing any tubes. So this is our design for wet one, especially. Moreover, wet one is very, very easy to maintain. Commonly, the tax-free vaporizer is very, very commonly used in research anesthesia. It needs to be calibrated regularly every year. For our vaporizer V60, it is calibration free in the whole lifespan. Most importantly, it could create a very, very refreshing working environment as shown in the graph below. Better environment, better efficiency. That's our aim to design this product. Safety is another big concern when designing this product. We noticed that there are lots of challenges to treat anesthetic waste gas in the lab, which is also a great threat to the personnel health. To solve this problem, we introduced the waste gas filled canister, WetGuard, here. It is filled with high performance activate carbon and could absorb at least 200 grams anesthesia gas. The body of this canister is integrated, not assembled, and also there is a form on the top that is for recording the usage. Here we can find here is a oxygen flush button on the body of the machine. This is for quickly rush to remove all the waste gas from the induction chamber into the waste gas canister. Leakage would be significantly lower when getting the rodents from the chamber after flush. So when you open the induction chamber, less anesthesia gas will leak into the air in the lab. And also, this page shows some other designs of wet one accessories. On the left is the induction chamber for rodent induction. We adopt the sliding top method rather than a flip or a lock one. This design is convenient for one-hand operation and reduce the risk of pitching. On the right, here, this is a mask for rodents. We have three sizes. It's non-rebreathing one. Anesthetic gas can be delivered directly into rats and mice by the side interface. Yeah, you can see from here to the mice, and the mice or rats would be placed here. The nose, their mouth would be here, and the vessel gas will be scavenged directly from the outside channels to the vessel gas canister. So this is specially designed for the rodent anesthesia, and this could effectively control the anesthetic gas into the lab. In terms of animal safety, the vaporizer plays a very, very important role. The V60 we use here is our vaporizer V60. The V60 we use has better performance than the tax-free vaporizers commonly used. The automated flow, temp, pressure composition ensures a constant output and accurate concentration under different environment conditions. Better air tightness and larger capacity contributes to a better user experience. Moreover, it is FDA approved, so it will be very reliable, and you can see the output here is very constant, very good. Next is the rodent procedure board. We get a clip to install the mask very easily, because here you just put the mask here and you can start your operation. And also, it's made by foam rather than metal to reduce rodent temperature loss. Here are some screws. You could see here are 12 screws on the side of this board. This is for fixing animals. You could tie the rodent with some materials into these screws, and they won't be moving during operation in the lab. So it would be very, very easy to do the operation. So that's all the brief features of VetOne. Here is a summary. So the slogan for VetOne is simplicity for safety in mind. The main unit is a tabletop with mask and induction chamber, channels, and O2 flush function. O2 flow meter ranges from 0 to 4 RPM. There is one vaporizer fix, and also ISO and servo ready to choose. We also have a series of accessories that we mentioned. So that's all the content today. Hope you would like it.